How can I start heartfulness practice? If you are new to heartfulness practice, a good place to start is the guided meditations available online. These are available on YouTube and Spotify as simple heartfulness practices, and on the free Heartfulness app and the website www.heartfulness.org. In the beginning, it is recommended to meditate for at least 3 consecutive days while connected to a heartfulness trainer, either online or in person. You can connect to a trainer near you by following the link heartspots.heartfulness.org. That is heartspotts.heartfulness.org. Or you could also meditate along with the Heartfulness guide, Daaji, in the 3 special introductory meditation sessions available online. You can also incorporate heartfulness into your daily routine by following the daily practice. The daily practice videos are also available online. Apart from the daily practices, there are also videos online that include instructions on various other heartfulness practices and also real-time guided meditations. All these practices are available for free. You can choose what best suits your need.